Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a detailed review of the new Realme 7 Pro. So Realme 7 Pro is the latest announced device under the Pro series, and this device retails for 19,999 for the base variant. It comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. It has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G quad camera setup, an AMOLED display, in-display fingerprint scanner, and a 4500 mAh capacity battery with 65-watt dart charging included. So that's the hardware aspect. So it's well equipped for the price segment, but let's see how it fares and is it really a worthy device for the 20k price segment. So that's what we are going to analyze in this detailed review. So if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's get started with the detailed review. So first step, let's have a look at the design and build quality. Now looking at the design, you can see that the front panel design looks quite good. We have a punch hole camera. It's a very small punch hole on the left side. The bezels on the sides are kind of minimal. The bottom bezels are slightly on the higher side, but again it's an AMOLED panel, so not much to complain here. Now on the back panel, this is where we felt Realme has done a pretty good job. Now when we reviewed the Realme X3, we had mentioned that the design has been getting pretty boring and it's kind of same repetitive design, but with Realme 7 Pro things have changed. You can see that the design language looks really nice, especially the camera unit and the Realme branding. You can see that dual finishing here, it feels really nice. Even the polycarbonate material looks refreshing, and overall the design language has been changed, and it also feels quite good in hands. So the form factor is something which is good. Now we have the SIM tray, which has a dedicated SD card slot, the volume rocker case, and the power button on the right side, and the top panel does not have any opening. So we also have the 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C port, and the speaker unit. So it's a good looking device in terms of design aspect. Now in terms of build quality, again this is a polycarbonate material, but being a polycarbonate, this is really good material quality, and fit and finish looks really good. We have been using this device for like 2 weeks and it did not form any sort of scratches or issues, but it definitely is a fingerprint magnet, but otherwise it's definitely good in terms of the build quality offered. Now moving on to this display. So this device has an AMOLED display. It's a full HD resolution display. It's an AMOLED display, and you also get Corning Gorilla Glass protection. Now being an AMOLED panel, you can see that the viewing angles are really good. The touch response also feels very smooth, and colors are vivid and gives a good overall feedback. And it's a vibrant and colorful display. You don't get higher refresh rate because it's an AMOLED panel. You have to limit with 60Hz refresh rate because 90Hz and 120Hz AMOLEDs are expensive, at least for this price segment. So that's the display, but overall we feel display is definitely good on the Realme 7 Pro. Now next is the software. Now this device runs on Realme UI 1.0. So this is the UI. We'll just show you the UI. So you can see that it is fairly well equipped in terms of features. So we have covered these features when we covered the Realme's UI in detail. So you can see that it has app cloner, game space, split screen, additional tools, and you can see convenience tool, gestures, navigation, button customization, then support for themes. So it's a well equipped UI in terms of options, and you can see that it is the Realme UI version 1.0, and you also get the new version of Realme UI soon. Now we have the 6GB of RAM and Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G on this device. So that's the software aspect. So it's a really good software, and multitasking is again pretty good on this device. Now talking about the performance. So as we all know, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G is a pretty good chipset. We have seen this chipset on the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, Redmi Note 9 Pro, Realme 6 Pro, and a lot of other smartphones have the same chipset. So it's a well equipped chipset. You can see that multitasking and RAM management looks good. Even in terms of gaming experience, we did not see any major issues, and it was pretty smooth experience, no lag or issues whatsoever. And overall the performance aspect of this device is definitely good, and we feel Realme has done a pretty good job in terms of overall experience. There is no lags or issues on the Realme 7 Pro. Now talking about the speaker performance, so we have a bottom mounted speaker, and it's a stereo speaker which is pretty good, and overall sound quality definitely looks good. Now we have face unlock and in-display fingerprint scanner. So this is the in-display fingerprint scanner, and it performs really well, and it's very fast, very similar to other Realme devices. The fingerprint scanner and face unlock performance is really fast. Now talking about the call quality, we have tested with the Jio SIM card as well as Idea Vodafone, and it has VoLTE support as well as voice over Wi-Fi support. So in that aspect also it is pretty good and well equipped. Now talking about the camera, so we have a quad camera setup. So we have a 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor, and you get a 32 megapixel in-display selfie camera. Now talking about the camera samples and camera quality, we have done a detailed camera review of this device. You can also check out the video to see how good the performance is. The daylight shots have come pretty good details, good sharpness levels, and colors have definitely improved by Realme compared to the previous devices. Color reproduction seems a bit more natural here, and overall sharpness levels are really good. The ultra wide angle camera came out quite well. It may not have the details of the primary sensor, but it definitely feels quite okay. Now the close-up shots have come again good details and good sharpness levels. The macros are kind of okay. There is still room for improvement, but overall we feel it's kind of decent experience overall. And apart from that, you also get a depth sensor, and the portraits definitely feels pretty good. Now coming to the low light experience, we felt that it has a decent experience for a 20k price segment. There is noise included, but noise is kind of reduced, or Realme has done an attempt to reduce the noise, and even the night experience, the low light experience feels quite okay. Now the selfie experience could have been a tad better, but the selfie colors were not really accurate, so that is one area where Realme can improve in terms of the camera department. So overall we feel Realme 7 Pro has a decent camera for this price segment. Now finally the battery life. So this has a 4500 mAh capacity battery with a massive 65 watt dart charging, which charges the device in like less than 40 minutes, which is really impressive. So 65 watt dart charging included, and the battery capacity is battery performance is again very good. You can get like very good battery life on this device, and we got like 6 to 7 hours easily, more than 6 to 7 hours on this device screen on time, which is pretty good. Again, that depends upon person to person, but in our usage we got around 7 odd hours of battery life, so it's again pretty good. So now summing up, how good is the Realme 7 Pro for 19,999? So we feel Realme 7 Pro is a much balanced smartphone with AMOLED display, in-display fingerprint scanner, good refreshing design and build quality. Then dart charging is included. 720G is a pretty good processor, and even in terms of camera experience, it provides great experience. We hardly have anything to complain. Now the cons of this device, we feel 90 Hz is not included, but again this is being an AMOLED display. You don't get 90 Hz at this price segment, so that's kind of acceptable. And then camera low light performance could have been tad better along with the selfie experience, especially for the 20k price segment, but otherwise it's a well balanced package for 20k from Realme. So that is a detailed review of the Realme 7 Pro. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.